Hi everyone, I'm LT Snake Plissken, and I thought I would just do a quick tutorial on how to send your Phantom Moose to another MetaMask address. If you try to send from MetaMask itself, it's going to error out with Phantom no matter what you put the gas in as. So what we're going to do here is go to app.elk.finance /hashtag/NFT, and we're going to make sure that that token is in our wallet. Now, a friend of mine couldn't make it for the Phantom Moose drop, so I was lucky enough to be able to get one for them. So that was cool. So just going to send it over to their address because I found I couldn't until you interact directly with the contract. So the first thing we're going to do is go to ftmscan.com. This is the block explorer for Phantom. And we're going to paste our address in here. Then we're going to click search. We're going to drop down our menu on tokens here, and we're going to click Moose V1, and that's going to show us this menu here. We're going to go ahead and click Write Contract because we're interacting directly with the Moose contract. And before we do anything, we need to connect to Web3. So we're going to click that to connect FTMScan to our wallet. We're going to confirm it's the right one and hit connect. Now the funny part here is you've actually got to click it twice, I find, at least for me. And then it's going to come up, it's a beta version. I'm going to click OK. And then it's going to connect to your wallet. Ensure that it is your proper wallet here that it is connected to. Now the first thing we're going to do is this first field called approve. We're going to put it in here, the address that we're sending to. So in this case, I'm copying this address to. And then the token ID is simply the number of your moose. So mine was, I was lucky enough to get them a rare, so they're going to be pretty excited about that. And so I'm going to put 83 in there. And that's all. I'm going to click write. And then it's going to prompt you for some gas, and you're going to confirm. Now, if it prompted you for a ridiculous amount of gas, that meant you actually put your own address. Not the address you're sending to, you accidentally put it in the to address. So in the to address is who you're sending it to, their address. Okay, so once I saw that that has confirmed, so we're going to scroll all the way down to number 8 here, and that's safeTranferFrom. There's two safeTranferFroms. It's number 8, the one without the data and bytes. So we're going to look at number 8 here. The from address is going to be our address. We're going to copy that tutorial address here. Then we're going to copy our to address, which is the address we're sending to. I'm going to put that in there. And then finally, the token ID number. We're going to put 83. So then what we're going to do is we're going to click write. We're going to confirm that you know, it's reasonable gas. We're good to go. Hit confirm. And it's going to take a little bit. And well, there we go. Super quick. So we're going to get that person to go to app.elk.finance /hashtag/NFT and check the moose stable. And if you can see here, I don't have a moose in this stable anymore. So it means that this is sent. Which is great. So yeah, so that's kind of it for the tutorial. It's that simple. I'll leave some links in the comments, so you know, please like and subscribe, and I'll check you guys next time. Thanks.